I'll guide you through how to install Flutter in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, download the Flutter SDK from the official Flutter website. Once the download is complete, extract the Flutter SDK to the C drive of your computer. Next, set the Flutter path in your system's environment variables so that Flutter commands can be recognized globally. After that, open the command prompt and type a specific command to verify that Flutter is properly installed and configured on your system. When verification is successful, proceed to install VS Code as your development environment. After installing VS Code, open it and go to the Extensions tab to install both the Flutter and Dart extensions. These extensions will enable Flutter development and support within the editor. Once the extensions are installed, create a new Flutter project using the built-in tools provided by VS Code. With the project created, you can now run the Flutter application by selecting the web option, specifically targeting Chrome as your web browser. This will launch your Flutter app in a new browser window.